Request startup.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Request cross runway. Request startup.
Cross runway approved.
Roger. Cross runway approved.
Roger. Change to runway 09 right.
Roger. Change to runway 09 right.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Change to runway 09 left. Departure runway 09 right. Contact when ready to start.
At parking, information, Delta, read to copy.
Request pushback.
Pushback left approved.
Holding point runway 09 right.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Request taxi.
Request startup.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Departure runway 09 right. When ready to start.
Change to runway 09 left. Change to runway 09 left. Change to runway 09 left.
Request pushback.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate. Pushback approved at own discretion.
Roger.
Request taxi.
Holding point runway 09 left.
Roger. Change to runway 09 left. At parking, information, Delta, read to copy.
Request pushback. Departure runway 09 left. Contact when ready to start.
Departure runway 09 left. When ready to start.
Continue.
Request startup.
Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 left. Continue.
At parking, information, Delta, read to copy.
You are on guard. You are in an active airspace. Contact an active frequency. Departure runway 09 left. Contact when ready to start.
Departure runway 09 left. When ready to start.
Runway 09 left. Vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. gentlemen. This is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Departure.
Request pushback.
Departure runway 09 left. When ready to start. Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 left.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Roger.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Request pushback.
Contact 500.
Flaps.
Say intentions.
Contact approach on 119.720. Contact ground on 121.700.
Good day. Holding point runway 09 left.
Wind 309 degrees, 0 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 09 left.
Clear for takeoff runway 09 left. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Good day. Call establishment. 09 left.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Good day. Call establishment.
Knot V1. Rotate. Gear up. Positive rate.